Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a new Exodus wallet. First, navigate to the official Exodus website and download the application. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid fraudulent versions. Once downloaded, install the software on your preferred device, whether it's your desktop or mobile. After installation, launch the Exodus application to start setting up your secure digital wallet. This initial step is crucial for safeguarding your assets. Now, let's secure your wallet. The first step is to create a robust and unique password. This password protects your wallet from unauthorized access. Next, Exodus will present you with a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your ultimate backup. Write it down precisely, paying close attention to the order and spelling. Finally, store this recovery phrase in a very secure, offline location, like a safe, away from your devices. Never share it with anyone. With your wallet set up, you can now start using it. To receive cryptocurrency, simply share your unique wallet address with the sender. You can find this address easily within the app. When sending funds, carefully enter the recipient's wallet address and the desired amount. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. Exodus also offers a convenient built-in exchange, allowing you to swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within your wallet. Maintaining your wallet's security is an ongoing process. Regularly back up your wallet and ensure your recovery phrase is still securely stored. If you ever encounter any issues or have questions, the Exodus support team is available to assist you. They offer comprehensive help to ensure a smooth experience. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Investing in quality gear, like a reliable wallet and durable socks, is always a smart choice for long-term peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.